Hello student, welcome back to NEET Mantra. I am Prince Sharma, your biology faculty and mentor. So with this video we start day 4 part 2 of our 50-day quick revision series. If you missed our previous video, link is in the description, and for more videos please do subscribe our channel. In this video we are going to discuss NCERT based question of chapter human reproduction. Our first question is, the dash is a temporary organ that connect a mammalian mother to its fetus. Option are placenta, chorion, endometrium, none of the above. So we surely know that the answer is placenta because it is a temporary organ. It is only present during the time of pregnancy and it connect mammalian mother to its fetus. Next question which we have, the dash is an ovoviviparous animal. Options are basking shark, bonobo, blue shark, none of the above. So answer for this question is basking shark. It is a ovoviviparous animal. Next question we have, acrosome is made up of lipid, hormone, digestive enzyme, or none of the above. So the answer is digestive enzyme because it going to digest the membrane around the ovum during the process of fertilization. Next question we have, several hormones like HCG, HPL, estrogen, progesterone are produced by. Options are ovary, placenta, fallopian tube, pituitary. So you have to remember HCG and HPL are only present during the time of pregnancy and they are secreted by a temporary endocrine organ which is known as placenta. So answer is option B. Next we have, capacitation occur in. Options are epididymis, vas deferens, female reproductive tract, rete testis. So capacitation occur in female reproductive tract. In this, the secretion of female genital tract remove the coating deposited around the sperm and expose the acrosome receptor, and the sperm is activated, which will now able to penetrate the ovum. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वी हैव, सेलेक्ट द इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट. 4 स्टेटमेंट है, 3 सही होंगी, 1 गलत होगी. ऑप्शंस आर LH and FSH decrease gradually during follicular phase. LH triggers secretion of androgen from Leydig cell. FSH stimulate the Sertoli cell which help in spermiogenesis. LH trigger ovulation. So option B, C and D are entirely true, but option A is false because during the time of follicular phase, which is till 14th day, the LHS and FSH level gradually increase, not decrease. So this word is wrong. So answer is option A. Next question we have, egg is liberated from ovary in secondary oocyte stage, primary oocyte stage, ogonial stage, mature ovum stage. So you have to remember, egg is liberated from ovary in secondary oocyte stage and meiosis 2 is not complete. At this point, meiosis 2 of oocyte or egg or ovum is not complete. Next question we have, gonads develop from embryonic membrane, ectoderm, endoderm, mesoderm. So the answer for this question is mesoderm. Gonads are mesodermally derived. Next question we have, which extraembryonic membrane in human prevent desiccation of embryo inside the uterus? So desiccation is removal of moisture. So there is an extraembryonic membrane which stop the removal of moisture and its name is amnion. Amnion is the membrane which prevent the desiccation of the embryo inside the uterus. Next question we have, in our society women are blamed for producing female children. Choose the correct answer for the sex determination in human. Options are due to some defect in aspermia in men, entirely wrong. Due to the genetic makeup of the particular sperm which fertilize the egg, may be correct. Due to the genetic makeup of the egg, due to some defect in woman. Option A and D is entirely wrong. जेनेटिक मेकअप ऑफ एग. अब एग में देखिए, एग में हमेशा एक्स क्रोमोसोम होगा. जो वेरिएशन है वो मेल के पास होती है क्योंकि मेल ही या तो एक्स टाइप का स्पर्म बनाएगा या वाई टाइप का स्पर्म बनाएगा. तो जो आपका बच्चा है, बेबी है, वो मेल बनेगा या फीमेल बनेगा, वो डिपेंड करता है कि एग के साथ कौन से टाइप वाला स्पर्म फर्टिलाइज करता है, एक्स वाला करता है या वाई के साथ, वाई वाला करता है। अगर एक्स वाला एग के साथ फर्टिलाइज करेगा तो फीमेल बनेगी, और वाई वाला स्पर्म अगर क्या है एग के साथ फर्टिलाइज करेगा तो मेल बनेगा। तो आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन बी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वी हैव द फर्स्ट मूवमेंट ऑफ fetus and appearance of hair on its head are usually observed during which month of pregnancy? So the answer is clearly written in the NCERT and it is 5th month. During 5th month, first movement of fetus and appearance of hair is seen on head. Next question we have the fetal ejection reflex in human trigger the release of. Options are oxytocin from fetal pituitary, human chorionic gonadotropin from placenta, human placental lactogen from placenta, oxytocin for maternal pituitary. So during fetal ejection reflex, relaxation and contraction are there in smooth muscle of uterus, which is myometrium, and it is due to oxytocin from maternal pituitary. Next question we have secretion from which one of the following are rich in fructose, calcium and some enzyme. Options are male accessory gland, liver, pancreas, salivary gland. They are talking about seminal plasma, and seminal plasma is secreted by male accessory glands. Next question we have about which day in normal human menstruation cycle does rapid secretion of LH, properly called LH surge, mean the luteinizing hormone is at its peak normally occur. So it occur on 14th day, the day of ovulation. So the answer of this question is option A, 14th day. Next question we have acrosome reaction in sperm is triggered by. Acrosome reaction in sperm is triggered by option A, capacitation, release of lysine, influx of sodium, release of fertilizing. So after capacitation, the activated spermatozoon on reaching the egg plasma membrane shows changes, and it is known as acrosomal reaction. During this reaction, it uptake calcium and sodium ion and release the acrosomal enzyme partially or totally. So influx of sodium ion will be there during the acrosomal reaction. So the answer is option C, influx of sodium ion. Next question we have the shared terminal duct of reproductive and urinary system in human male is called urethra, ureter, vas deferens, vasa efferentia. So the answer is very clear to us, which is option A, urethra. Next question we have ectopic pregnancy are referred to as. Options are implantation of defective embryo in the uterus, pregnancies terminated due to hormonal imbalance, pregnancies with genetic abnormality, implantation of embryo at site other than uterus. So the answer is implantation of embryo at the site other than uterus. Next question we have the main function of mammalian corpus luteum is to produce progesterone. So the answer is option B, progesterone. Next question we have how many autosome does a human primary spermatocyte have? So a human spermatocyte is diploid, it is 2n. So in a diploid cell, 2 are sex chromosome and other are autosome. So the answer will be option B, 44 autosome will be there. Next question we have in human female the blastocyst form placenta even before implantation, wrong. Get implanted into uterus 3 days after ovulation, wrong. Get nutrition from uterine endometrial secretion only after implantation. It does not get nutrition from uterine endometrial secretion, it get nutrition from placenta. Placenta will be formed. So C option is wrong. Get implanted in endometrium by trophoblast cell. This is right. In endometrium, it will be implanted with the help of trophoblast cell because finger-like projection called chorionic villi will be there. So the answer is option D. The Leydig cell as found in human body are secretory source of Leydig cell or interstitial cells secrete androgen, which is a precursor to testosterone. Next question we have, Sertoli cell are found in seminiferous tubule and provide nutrition to germ cell. So answer is option C. Next question we have, the type of placenta found in human being is diffuse, generary, cotyledonary, discoidal. So the answer to this question is discoidal. Discoidal type of placenta is in which maternal blood cells are in direct contact with fetal chorion. Okay, the answer is discoidal. Next question is, vas deferens receive the duct of seminal vesicle from the and form the, when vas deferens receive a duct from seminal vesicle, they join together and form ejaculatory duct. तो आंसर जाएगा आपका C और थर्ड. Proliferative phase of menstrual cycle is also called luteal phase, follicular phase, secretory phase, ovulatory phase. So proliferative phase refer in the term of uterus. At proliferative phase, uterus is proliferating, and at the same time in ovary, follicles are maturing. So in the reference of ovary, it is follicular phase. So follicular phase and proliferative phase run simultaneously. Next question we have, there is no cell division involved in spermatogenesis. Cell division will be there, mitosis will be there, and meiosis will be there. Oogenesis, mitosis and meiosis both will be there. Embryogenesis, division will be there. Spermiogenesis is a differentiation process in which spermatid differentiate into spermatozoa. So answer is going option D, spermiogenesis. Next question we have, in human at the end of first meiotic division, the male germ cell differentiate into. During first meiotic division, primary spermatocyte goes into meiosis first and it becomes secondary spermatocyte. So primary spermatocyte is diploid and secondary spermatocyte is haploid. So the answer is option D, secondary spermatocyte. Next we have, a change in amount of yolk and its distribution in egg will affect. Options are pattern of cleavage, number of blastomere produced, fertilization, formation of zygote. So if the amount of yolk change, it will affect the pattern of cleavage, because in egg with less yolk, cleavage will be equal and resulting blastomere are of smaller size. But in egg in which there is more amount of yolk, cleavage is unequal. Next we have, which of the following cell during gametogenesis is normally diploid? Options are spermatogonia, secondary polar body, primary polar body, spermatid. So B, C and D, these cell or these structure we only get after meiosis. So they can't be diploid, they will be haploid. So the answer is option A, spermatogonia. Next question we have, cryptorchidism is a condition where one of the both testes are not developed, one or both testes fail to descend in scrotum, one of the both testes are not formed, none of the above. So in cryptorchidism, the testes fail to descend into the scrotum. So the answer is option B. Next question we have, which of the following hormone prepare the uterus for implantation? Options are progesterone, FSH, estrogen and LH. So as you know, for pregnancy, corpus luteum secrete progesterone, and progesterone is necessary for maintenance of endometrial wall. So for implantation, answer is progesterone. Next question we have, human sperm moves with the help of. Options are cilia, flagellum, basal body, nucleosome. So answer is flagellum. Human sperm move with the help of flagellum. Next question we have, the second maturation division of mammalian ovum occur. Second maturation division means meiosis 2 complete when? Options are shortly after ovulation from ovum and makes entry into the fallopian tube. No. Until after the ovum has been penetrated by sperm may be correct. Until the nucleus of sperm has fused with that of ovum. No. In Graafian follicle following the first maturation division. No. So the answer of this question is option B. The ovum will complete its meiosis division when the sperm will penetrate the ovum or touch the ovum, then the meiosis 2 will be completed. Next question we have, hysterectomy is surgical removal of vas deferens, mammary gland, uterus, prostate gland. So answer to this question is hysterectomy is uterus. Removal of uterus is known as hysterectomy. Next question we have, colostrum, the yellowish fluid secreted by mother during the initial days of lactation, is very essential to impart immunity to the newborn infant because it contains natural killer cell, monocyte, macrophages, immunoglobulin A. So the answer to this question is immunoglobulin A. It contains an antibody known as IgA or immunoglobulin A. Next question we have, how many functional sperm and how many ova will be formed by a primary spermatocyte respectively? So in case of sperm, one primary spermatocyte will make 4 spermatid or 4 spermatozoa, but in case of primary oocyte there will be only 1 ova. So the answer to this question is C, 4 and 1. Next question we have, the cell division in secondary oocyte is suspended at. So the cell division in secondary oocyte before the entry of sperm is suspended at metaphase 2. So the answer goes option B, metaphase 2. Next question is we have, morula is a development stage between zygote and blastocyst, between the blastocyst and gastrula, after the implantation, between implantation and parturition. So the right answer to this question is between the zygote and blastocysts, option A. When zygote travel from ampulla isthmus junction to uterus, during this stage 8 to 16 cell blastomere stage, it is known as morula. Next question we have, where does the ovum receive the sperm? So you have to remember this, ovum receive the sperm at vagital pole. So the answer to this question is option B. Next question is we have, what is true for cleavage? क्लीवेज के लिए क्या सही बात है? साइज ऑफ एम्ब्रियो इंक्रीज, साइज ऑफ सेल डिक्रीज, साइज ऑफ सेल इंक्रीज, साइज ऑफ एम्ब्रियो डिक्रीज. सो द राइट आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन इज साइज ऑफ सेल डिक्रीज, बिकॉज zygote divide to form number of small blastomeres but without growth in size because cell continue to be retained within the zona pellucida. So when zona pellucida is out there, the size can't grow, so the size of cell which are dividing will decrease. Next question we have, it is not from human reproduction but still a question, so we answer it. Offset are produced by parthenocarpy, mitotic division, meiotic division, parthenogenesis. So the right answer to this question is mitotic division. Next question we have, if for some reason the vasa efferentia in human reproductive system get blocked, the gamete will not be transmitted form. Options are testis to epididymis, epididymis to vas deferens, ovary to uterus, vagina to uterus. So if you remember the pathway of sperm conduction, you will find seminiferous tubule to rete testis to vasa efferentia, then epididymis, then vasa deferens, then ejaculatory duct. So the right answer to this question is option A, testis to epididymis. Next question we have, middle piece of mammalian sperm possesses. Middle piece in the structure of mammalian sperm possesses mitochondria and centriole, mitochondria only, centriole only, nucleus and mitochondria. So the right answer is mitochondria and centriole. Next question we have, fertilizing is a chemical substance produced from polar body, middle piece of sperm, mature egg, acrosome. So fertilizing is a chemical which is produced by mature egg to attract sperm, and sperm release its counterpart anti-fertilizing in the response. So the answer to this question is mature egg. Fertilizing is produced by mature egg. Next question we have, fertilization in human is practically feasible only if. फर्टिलाइजेशन इन ह्यूमन प्रैक्टिकली कब फिजिबल होगी? फर्स्ट, द ओवम एंड स्पर्म आर ट्रांसपोर्टेड साइमल्टेनियसली टू एम्पलरी स्टमक जंक्शन ऑफ सर्विक्स. सर्विक्स में एम्पलरी स्टमक जंक्शन नहीं होता है, तो ये ऑप्शन हो गया गलत. द स्पर्म आर ट्रांसपोर्टेड इनटू सर्विक्स विद इन 48 आवर ऑफ रिलीज ऑफ ओवम इन यूट्रस. तो ये भी सही नहीं है. क्यों सही नहीं है? कि जब आप 48 आवर बाद ओव्यूलेशन के रिलीज़ करोगे तो जो आपका ओवम है वो एम्पलरी स्टमक जंक्शन क्रॉस कर चुका होगा. ऑप्शन सी, द स्पर्म आर ट्रांसपोर्टेड इनटू वेजाइना जस्ट आफ्टर द रिलीज ऑफ ओवम इन फैलोपियन ट्यूब. तो स्पर्म को ट्रांसपोर्ट किया गया वेजाइना में जस्ट आफ्टर द रिलीज ऑफ फैलोपियन ट्यूब. तो ये कोई श्योरिटी नहीं है कि इस टाइम पे फर्टिलाइजेशन हो जाएगा या नहीं होगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, द ओवम and the sperm are transported simultaneously to ampullary stomach junction of fallopian tube. ये सही आंसर है कि अगर आपको प्रैक्टिकली फर्टिलाइजेशन करवाना है तो आपको ओवम और स्पर्म को साइमल्टेनियसली ट्रांसफ़र करना पड़ेगा एम्पुला स्टमक जंक्शन पे. तो द आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन डी. नेक्स्ट वी हैव, which among the following has 23 chromosome, or they are asking which one is haploid. Spermatogonia is diploid, zygote is diploid, oogonia is diploid. So the answer is secondary oocyte, it is haploid. During implantation the blastocyst become embedded in which layer of uterus? Very easy question. Implantation occur in endometrium. Next question we have, fill in the blank in the following statement. For normal fertility at least -% must have normal shape and size and at least -% of must have show vigorous motility. So for fertility during a single ejaculation male ejaculate 200 to 300 million sperm, and out of which 60% should have normal shape and size and 40% should have vigorous motility. So the answer to this question is option C, 60-40. Next question we have, phase of menstrual cycle in human that last for 7 to 8 days. menstrual cycle में कौन सा ऐसा phase है जो 7 to 8 days रहता है? So the answer is follicular phase. follicular phase 7 से 8 दिन तक रहता है. Next question we have, first menstruation begin at puberty and it is called menarche. Onset of or starting of menstruation is called menarche. So the answer to this question is option B or 2. Next topic of tomorrow we have living world and biological classification. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel and believe in yourself, you will win. Thank you.